Yo, what's good boys, it's NinjSZN, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to lower your ping in Chapter 5 Season 2 on both console and PC. We're going to be going over things like network settings, secret command prompts for lower ping, tips from Epic Games themselves, and much more. So if you want lower ping, make sure to follow these tips, but first, 85% of you guys aren't subscribed, and I don't like asking for subs at the start of the video, so let's make a deal. If this video lowers your ping by any way, you drop a sub and smash that like button. Alright, now the first way you can lower your ping this season is by using GearUp Booster. I don't normally promote apps like these, but everyone loves GearUp. I've talked about this app before and received many great comments. On Central, without GearUp, my ping's around 70, but when launching Fortnite through GearUp, it goes all the way down to 30. And this is because GearUp connects you to the closest server. And yes, GearUp is allowed. A ton of pros use it like Sway, Tickle, Reed, Culture, Asian Jeff, the list goes on. For any console players watching, I recommend checking out HyperRev. It's similar to GearUp. It's a gaming router that connects you to the nearest server. So even if you have bad internet, you can still get better ping. Now we want to make sure that our network drivers are up to date. I got a new PC, so I'm currently on Windows 11, but the layout is pretty similar to Windows 10. So even if you are on Windows 10, you should still be able to follow along. Go to the search bar, type in device manager, click on network adapters, right click on whatever connection you're currently on, hit update driver, and search automatically for drivers. If it says the best drivers for your device are currently installed, then you're good, but if not, go ahead and update your drivers. Next, go to Google and type in DNS Benchmark, click on the first link that pops up, which should be the Gibson Research Corporation, and once you're on the site, scroll down and click download now. If you're a console player, do this on your laptop if you can, because you can still change your DNS on console. Once you open up the app, go over to name servers, and at the top, it's going to list the best DNS servers for you to use. Once you got these, go to your settings, go to network and internet, click on Ethernet, then go over and change your DNS. For my preferred DNS, I'm going to copy and paste the first DNS server the benchmark gave me. Then for the second one, I'm going to copy and paste the second DNS server. Once you do that, click save and just exit out. Next, go to your search bar and type in command prompt. I'm going to have these prompts in the description for you to copy and paste. The first thing you want to do is type ipconfig /flush DNS. Flushing the DNS clears out the cache in your computer, which contains records of all recent visits and attempted visits to websites and other internet domains. This action essentially resets the cache, so your computer has to freshly look up the IP addresses of previously visited sites again. This can help resolve various networking issues like web page not found errors by eliminating outdated or corrupted records that might have been causing connection problems. Next prompt you want to type in is ping space then the first DNS server you got for the benchmark. This prompt basically shows you the response time between your computer and the DNS server. This response time is measured in milliseconds and indicates how quickly the server can receive and respond to requests from your computer. My average milliseconds on this DNS server is 18, and when I go ahead and do that same prompt with the DNS server I used to use, as you can see, the DNS server I got for the benchmark has less delay. This next tip is from Epic Games themselves. Go to the search bar, type in %local app data %, double click on the Epic Games launcher, go into saved, then config, Windows, and you're going to want to open up Engine.ini. Copy and paste this exact code into the empty space. Again, I'm going to have this in the description for y'all. Once you have it pasted, go to File, Save, and Exit out. Then, load up your Epic Games launcher, click on the top right, and go to your settings, and just copy my exact settings. You're going to want to turn desktop notifications off as well, since this can spike your ping when they pop up. Keep scrolling down until you see Fortnite, drop it down, and check additional command line arguments. Type in LAN play, no splash, use all available cores, and limit client ticks. This is another tip from Epic Games themselves, and this is supposed to remove packet loss. These next tips require you loading up Fortnite, but before you do, click on the 3 dots, go to manage, and verify your game files. Doing this checks for any missing or corrupted files within the game's installation directory. And if any issues are found, it automatically downloads and replaces the faulty files with the correct version. Once your files are finished verifying, go into your Fortnite settings, and in the first tab, make sure report format stats are disabled. In the next tab, unless you consistently use replays, turn them off. Then, set all energy saving options to off. The last thing you need to do in your in-game settings is turn off player surveys. Next, we're going to go back into command prompt, and the next prompt we're going to run is DISM online space cleanup image / check health. This prompt is pretty self-explanatory. It checks the health of your PC. I had no corruptions detected, but if you do, then type in this prompt right here to fix it. This next tip is something I already mentioned in my last ping video, but it's something you should be doing at the start of every season, if not every couple weeks, and that's using malware bytes to scan your PC of any viruses. And also, using CC Cleaner to clean up any unnecessary files. Make sure to update your graphic drivers as well. I don't recommend updating your drivers if your FPS and ping has been good recently, but if you're watching this video, chances are they haven't been, so go ahead ahead and update those drivers. After following all the tips in this video, make sure to restart your PC and you'll be good to go. If you need more tips to lower your ping, check out that video in the top right. And in case you guys didn't know, I joined Fair Chronic about 2 months ago and they're actually recruiting right now. So if you're interested in joining, follow us on Twitter. The link will be in the description. Real quick, I want to give a shout out to Mr. Champion. I appreciate the support. If you want to shout out my next video, comment code BIGNINS 3 separate times. Now, I got some solo rank gameplay for you guys, so grab some water, sit back, and enjoy. Alright, let's go. Now I actually need to win this game, chat. Yo, my drop was crazy. What are you doing? Bro, this kid is so annoying. He's used like 3 big pots already. Where's he even at? Finally. Ain't no way bro's trying to roll my mythic. Come here, boy! Come here! 200. GG. Bro. There's a third party. I need to hurry up and kill this kid. This fight's lasting way too long. This kid looks terrible. GG. Let me get in, my brother. Bro, this dude. Hello? Idiot. I might low-key just play endgame. I'm gonna get third party if I push anyone. GG's, bro. Finally. W's in the chat, baby. I hope you guys enjoyed the gameplay. If you need tips on how to get better on controller, check out either one of these videos. These are tips that I specifically use to get good.